Central angles are angles formed from the center and the two radii, or the radius here, another radius here. So, when we have the sum of central angles, the entire circle has 360 degrees. So, if we have here 205 degrees, 35 degrees, so what then is the value of x? So, we write it as 360 degrees plus x degree plus 35 degree plus 205 degrees. So, what will be the missing value here if the entire circle is 360 degrees? 240 from 35 and 205. Solving for the value of x, transpose the 240 degrees. So, x here is the value of 120 degrees since the total sum should be 360 degrees. It states that the degree measure of a minor arc is a measure of central angle. This is a central angle that is formed from the center of the circle. So if the measurement of your central angle is 85 degrees, its arc, intercepted arc, is also 85 degrees. Just for the central angle. The central angle has the same measurement as the intercepted arc. This is a minor arc that is less than 360, so we have 85 degrees here. Using the same 8 endpoints, so this will be just 360 degrees minus 85 degrees to get this measurement. The degree measurement of semicircle is 180 degrees. This is 180 degrees. The other semicircle is also 180 degrees. That will give us a total of 360 degrees. We say that the two circles are congruent if they have the same measurement of radii. The radius here in this circle with the center x is 3 centimeter, and with another circle with the center m, the radius is also 3 centimeter. So we say that these two circles are congruent since the radii are congruent. Now for congruent arcs, we say the arcs are congruent if they have the same measurement. So we have 30 degrees here, 30 degrees. So this arc EC is congruent to arc CA since they have the same 30 degrees. But for congruent circles, they will be congruent arcs if they also have 30 degrees or the same measurement. Now let's go with some theorems on central angles, arcs, and chords. In a circle or in a congruent circles, two minor arcs like this. Minor arcs are less than 360 degrees. Minor arcs are arcs with a measurement of less than 180 degrees, So they are congruent if and only if their corresponding central angles are congruent. So they do not share the same endpoints, but we have 50 degrees here and 50 degrees here. So these two arcs here are congruent. So what if an arc is formed from a chord? So the two arcs are congruent if the corresponding chords are congruent. So if this measures 5 meters, this should also be measured 5 meters to say that arc CH is congruent to arc BA. In a circle, a diameter, this is the diameter, passing the longest chord passing through the center, bisects a chord and an arc with the same endpoints if and only if it is perpendicular to the chord. So this diameter will divide these two arcs equally and this chord equally if it will form 90 degrees. We say that the measurement of an arc formed by two adjacent adjacent, share common and one point, is the sum of the measure of the two arcs. So, this one arc here is the sum of these two arcs, arc AD and arc DC, or just adding arc CD plus arc DA is equivalent to the entire arc ADC. So we can write it as arc AD plus arc DC is equivalent to arc ADC. ADC. This shows that whatever will be the measurement of central angle will be the measurement of its intercepted arc. Like measurement of angle LAK will be the same as its intercepted arc, arc LK.